Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to change passcode on iPhone from 4 digits to 6 digits. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first one to do is go ahead and open the settings app. On the settings page, scroll down, locate and click on Face Setting and Passcode. Type in your iPhone passcode. On the Face Setting and Passcode page, scroll down, locate and click on Change Passcode. Type in your iPhone passcode. Then you should see enter a new passcode. If you have the 6-digit option, go ahead and type in the new passcode. Otherwise, click on options and then select 6-digit numeric code. Type in the new code. Repeat the new code. And then hang on for this to change your iPhone passcode from 4 digits to 6 digits. That is it. And then when next you want to unlock your iPhone, you need to type in the 6-digit passcode. And then you're good. So that is basically how to change passcode on iPhone from 4 digits to 6 digits. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.